what's in your lube tank. As someone who predominantly cuts yellow pine, as you can see that pile and everything back there, those logs were just hauled. And that log you just seen me cutting on the mill was delivered, I don't know, maybe 2 days ago. So it's jam-packed with sap. Be sure to run diesel fuel. I've run soap and water. I've run just soap. It works, but you got to use a lot of it. As you can see by the way the thing was dripping, you don't need much, and it is key. Keeps your blade lubed and helps prevent rust, and pitch will not stick to it if it's set right. A little drip goes a long ways. Y'all come back here.